Hey guys, how are you? Welcome to the video. June 24th, 2020. So we're going to do a little trade review. And basically what I'm going to do is I edited all of my clips from this morning. I just ran the camera on the screen. You're going to see me trading these markets in the simulator here in my IBKR account. And yeah, so it was an interesting trading session here, trading the NASDAQ futures. So I ended the session green today here, so that win rate is slowly improving. So my goal is to improve this win rate. Obviously every day I gain more information about the trades I'm taking, and before I take this live, I want to know that there's some kind of edge here. So that's it guys, and I wish you all a fantastic day. Enjoy the video. Take care.
Block buy.
There's the block buy on the cues as soon as the market opens. All right, well, keeping an eye on this 10,158 area on the NASDAQ. That block buy right off the open.
Order filled.
Oh, that's how you get stopped out, huh? I got stopped out, didn't I?
Order filled.
Yeah. I had to cut that break even, man. I was in profit. I had to cut the break even. We're seeing strong buys. I'm gonna follow that guy. Not just yet.
Increased volume.
Okay, that short's getting stopped. I'm selling this thing, baby. Right here at this 0725 mark. Let's see if I get stopped right away. Oh god, there's more buyers. Here's the battle right here. Look at this. So we have this 2010 point of control here. So look how we respected the 12. Let's see if we catch it again. Again, we're moving down to these points of buyer imbalance. Look at that, look at this, and then over here too. Think we're gonna go for another leg up right away? I don't know. Watch these areas of 2011s here. If we can move above 12. Why is it not stopping me out? Fuck.
Order filled. Order filled.
Starting to stall around these 9250s.
Order filled.
Got that short, pretty nice short here. Another 3 points right after I got out. Look at that. Now the thing's starting to collapse. Just want to point out, look how amazing of a guide that 4 EMA was. You can see that once we started to lose it, really started to go. A couple of sellers got trapped near these lows here. A couple hundred contracts. We'll see if we trade back down there. Buyers are starting to hit into this 35 mark. I want to see more sellers come in and get absorbed down here. If we see that, it could be a good signal. Or if we get another close above this 4 EMA, it'll signal a potential reversal. Oh, here's a fake out.
Order filled.
See, I'm bad at going long. I am horrible at going long. You knew that, eh? Going for another leg down here. We'll see if we fail. Now, if we move back up here above these 25s right here, I'll go long again. I'll go long on this. But you can see that there's pressure on the sell side now. Buy 55, look at that. At 18. All retail. It's all retail getting killed right now. It's not big money.
Order filled.
I want to see more buyers step up here. I am horrible at going long. Kept the stop too close. And now we're going where I wanted it to go. Right here to 17, 18.
Order filled. Order filled.
I went short and I made money. Alright, watch this 30-second close here. Yeah, look at that, look at that. That's a nice short trap right there. I was not greedy with that target because I knew that something like this was likely. That's why I went short. I went short, but with a target that wasn't large. See, I only grabbed about like 9 ticks out of that because I knew that this kind of thing was likely. I'm going to get long here. I'm going to try to actually get in on a limit. Watch us try and go down another time. We're respecting that EMA. Okay, we're seeing lower prices. And again, it's all about these 89s here. Okay, we're pushing. It's having trouble. I am horrible at going long. Horrid. Horrendous. Okay, here we go. Watch this. Watch this. Another try. Another try.
Order filled.
See if we can get a little pop. Come on. We gotta trap some of these sellers. Come on. Look at all these sellers. Here, 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 here. Right to the EMA. Are we gonna catch resistance at the EMA? There we go. That's what we want to see. We want to see buyers stepping up a bit. Watch this 87, 85. This is the support level. If we could push above the 100s, we'll start putting pressure on shorts. I wouldn't say there's a notable buy imbalance. It's pretty balanced, actually. I'd say there's a lot of sellers down here, though. So that's why I say if we push up, these sellers are going to get messed up. Here we go, 107.
Order filled.
Nice. All right, we got out of that long trade here.
Order cancelled.
Good thing I had to stop under the lows, because if I had put my stop at break even too early, I would have got stopped out here. So, you know, that's the way markets work. It's just common sense. It tends to happen where the market will, coming off of a low or coming off of a high, before making a bigger move, the market is likely going to retest a certain price point. That's why it's important to understand when to move your stop to break even and when not to. But again, it's debatable. I just find like if you put your stop at break even too early, you have a higher likelihood of giving up your trade too early. So yeah, there's different ways of looking at it. Now we traded all the way to 1550. So we're meeting up with that 2-minute exponential moving average now. Strong buy imbalance here. Let's see if I'm right here. I'm looking at these buyers around the 100 mark. I'm expecting them to hold, but we'll see if they hold or not.
Block
Increased
buy.
volume. 50 left.
Got an 80 lot there. Big buyer stepping in, guys.
Order cancelled.
All right, we made money going long. Well, yeah, you saw there was some interesting action there, especially that was happening near here. You can see that we're continuing to push.
Buy.
A little bit of a short squeeze going on. I got long here after I started seeing the buyers absorbed, the sellers getting absorbed around the 100 mark. Right around here. You can see there, 426 to 318. And all through here, you can see this. Keep an eye on that mark there, that 100 mark. I'll mark that in just for the next time. And you can see that that level provided a point of control. You can see that that price traded the highest volume out of all these prices, making that pretty significant. So when you're seeing price moving higher as it pulls back, watch for that kind of stuff to see if these aggressive buyers are just sitting there absorbing the seller order. So there you go. Now we're moving higher here on the NASDAQ, and we'll see what we get. Now look at this right here. There's some sellers that sold here earlier. We'll see if they come back to defend it. I don't like this trade.
Order filled. Order cancelled.
Yeah, I didn't like that one. I got out for a mini loss. See how it traded lower and then traded back up? I don't like that. And you see there's a lot of contracts that went in on the bids here, trading higher. See what we get. Thing is, NASDAQ's breaking lower, so you gotta wait. You gotta be patient with this kind of trade here. You know, if you're looking to trade this bearish, because we had a bear break, be patient and expect that we could see a failure. So now we're seeing big buyers stepping in here, so I don't like it enough. That's why I got out. Find the sellers are not attacking enough here. They're not being aggressive with these bids. So I'm not interested in staying short right there. I'd rather be safe than sitting in a position I'm not 100% sure about. See, now we're trying to grind higher. And it makes sense we could push higher if the sellers are not going to be aggressive. We need aggressive selling. We had a bit of it before, but now it's kind of drying up. See, no block orders. If you want to see aggressive selling, you need those block orders to come back.
Order filled.
Buyers are on the 70s or not? I don't like it.
Order cancelled.
I don't like it. I got short on this bear break, and then as soon as I saw that the sellers weren't willing to push this lower, I got out. Good decision. Because now we're back up there real quick. Look at that. Easy failure right there. Because I wanted to see if these sellers had the strength. A couple of sell block orders came in there. As soon as I saw that the sellers were going to push this below the 70s, they pushed it and then we easily traded back higher. That's a sign that the sellers are not being aggressive. And then look at that. We pop all the way back to the 90s. Yeah, we're hitting the bid this time. You see? Look at that, man. That is just uncanny. Uncanny. That kind of pop into that kind of drop, that's like great. That's great behavior right there. Now watch, everyone's getting on board short. If we trade above the 70s again, we're heading back up. That's why you got to take it a little bit at a time, guys. You can't get too attached to a trade being short or being long because you're going to get burned in these markets, man. If you're trying to scalp a market, you can't get attached to any side of the market. You have to learn how to read the flow in both directions. That's it. Hey guys, if you enjoyed this video, leave a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, leave a comment below. I will see you soon, all right? Take care, bye.